Often special parts and tools that are left over for a long while or in a moist atmosphere get dusty and gather rust and stains, which then leads to us replacing parts and throwing them into a scrap bin. But that is of the past. Africa's top-performing OEM specialist in HP and UHP pump systems and equipment supplier has designed and fabricated a unique enclosed system, the Jetin Vapour Blasting Cabinet.
Vapor blasting is a technique of cleaning and polishing metal parts and components simultaneously, also known as wet blasting or liquid honing. The technique is more effective than cleaning via fast-flowing water. Vapor blasting with water and glass slurry produces a polished finish without pitting of the surface being cleaned, as is often seen with traditional sandblasting. Standard applications of vapor blasting include finishing and polishing of surfaces of parts and components, rust removal, carbon deposits, paint, and other residue, surface preparation prior to bonding or painting and recoating, cleaning electrical connectors, providing satin-like finishing to cast aluminum, alloys, stainless steel, and other distinct materials. Vapor blasting applications include automotive, wet abrasive blasting degreases automotive parts effectively, cleaning them and keeping them aesthetically attractive and shiny for longer. Vapor blasting can be applied to parts such as engines, gearboxes, carburetors, and diff casing, to name but a few. In fact, treatment of classic car and motorbike parts has very popular industry and is one of our primary demands. Aviation, due to strict industry regulations regarding cleaning and removal of sharp edges and possible fatigue fracturing, components used in the aviation industry require particular attention and greatly benefit from a sympathetic wet blasting process. Medical, owing to its ability to deburr metal objects and remove sharp edges, as well as create satin and glossy finishes, wet blasting is often applied to medical-grade implants as well as components for medical and surgical devices, such as tools and parts for various medical machines. Marine stainless steel applications makes wet blasting a popular treatment choice for marine components such as anchor shackles, pulleys, and eye plates. Vapor blasting services is a low capital investment and has very low running costs. It's easy to learn and become a proficient and professional provider of blasting with the ability to generate good revenues and profit. There is an almost limitless market potential. Anyone who has ever had anything sandblasted is your next potential customer, since vapor blasting does not damage the substrate layer of the component being blasted like sandblasting does. Vapor blasting is both health and environmentally friendly, unlike sandblasting. It is fast and produces far superior finishes to any other cleaning method. One can conservatively generate 40,000 rands to 80,000 rands per month with one vapor blasting machine on a part-time or full-time basis and recoup your capital investment in less than 4-6 months. It is also ideal to add additional revenue streams to already existing businesses or to operate from home. AFRICATUFF will advise you on how to set up your business, how to operate, and provide ongoing support to you as a new business owner. OEM AFRICATUFF also specializes in the vapor blasting service, and you can get your equipment, tooling, and parts vapor blasted by the only OEM who has designed, fabricated the Jetin Vapour Blasting Cabinet today. Contact us today to find out more. Don't let your equipment and tools get rusty and old with you. Contact us now at AFRICATUFF Sales Office, through email at sales@africatuff.co.za, or give us a telephone call at 032-061-0451 to get a quote on a vapor blasting unit or service. Don't wait on it, because we are here to deliver excellence and quality works.
It just ain't tough if it ain't AFRICATUFF.